Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create this Fishtail Braid Ponytail. Begin with the partings. First I separate the hair that will be braided and the rest of the hair that will be just inside the pony. Then I share the front piece that will be braided in two for the fishtail braid and the Dutch braid. Then I take the frontmost part, take 3 strands from the corner and start the braid 3-strand Dutch braid, bringing strands alternately from side under to the middle and adding hair from the both sides of the braid. With this braid, I create the addings in the way that from the right side of the braid, I add just a small piece of hair, and from the left side, I add much more bigger piece. That makes the braid follow close the parting line. Reason for this is that I want the braids be pretty close of each others, so the parting doesn't show up at the ending result. To get more volume for the braid, I pancake the edges and this way create the braid look bigger than it actually is. Then just keep on braiding like before. Add from the right side smaller piece of hair and from the left side a little bit bigger. If you want to leave some accent hair out of the braid, do it while still braiding. Continue in this way until the braid reaches to the point where you want the pony. Next, I create the fishtail braid above the Dutch braid. Again, I take some hair, share it in 2 pieces and start to take small strands from each side and move them under to the another side. So right strand under, add hair from the right side, and left strand under, add hair from the left side. Small section from the right under to the left side and add some hair to that strand. Small strand from left under to the right and add some hair. As the Dutch braid, also this one is created similarly in the way that I add from the another side more hair than from the another. So on this one I create it as the opposite, so I add more hair from the right side and a little bit less hair from the left side. That makes the braid follow close to the part line that is between the Dutch and the fishtail braid. So when I pancake the braid, it hides the part line at least almost. Once also the fishtail braid reaches to the point where you want the ponytail, then just put all hair up and you're ready. Here's the final result of this hairstyle. If you like this tutorial, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Have a great day and happy braiding!